Okay, it's July 13th, and I'm going to give you guys another little tower update here. So I went through and I took out a bunch of the unlabeled sections and put in some of the labeled sections. So now I have actual string beans and string beans, red peppers. I have one red pepper over here. Tomatoes are two of my tomato plants going. Zucchini, I actually have 4 of those that are kind of going. Cucumbers, I think I have 3 that are going. Strawberries, I have 3 that are in there. Snap peas, nothing's alive yet, but I'm gonna plant some new peas hopefully today to get those going. And I cleaned this whole tower out, so this is all fresh water and everything is super clean in it right now. And then I'm about to go and start that on the second tower. So I'm gonna go and clean this one all up and reconfigure it again. And I think I'll keep the same sections in there and probably put all the remains together, all the butters together and whatever, so it'll be a little bit cleaner. But then get that going, so exciting. Okay, so I finished the other tower. So now I have it with spinach on the bottom, and then 2 butter lettuces, a Simpson lettuce, 2 romaines, and then my flowers up top. So we'll see how that goes. And then here's all my extra towers. I cleaned them all mostly out, and then I have 1 strawberry extra because they only have 1 set of strawberries currently going. But there we go, so very cool. And I'm doing my outdoor raised garden too, so hopefully I'll do some videos on that. But here, let's go check the outside one here and see how it's doing. Now, this one's doing great. So hopefully y'all can see that. Looks great to me. So let's see it. No tomatoes yet, but looks nice. So, okay.